Now we will solve question number 3, part number 5. The pattern is same. That is, question is x plus 2, x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x square minus 4. You are familiar with the formula number 1 and 2, that is a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus b into a plus b. We will use this formula in that question. X plus 2, x square minus 1, x plus 1, x square minus 4. Factorizing the terms, you will get x plus 2. We will break x square minus 1 into x whole square minus 1 whole square by x plus 1 into x square minus 2 whole square. Applying this one formula in both the cases, in that case and in that case, p of x and q of x, which is equal to x plus 2, x plus 1, x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2. Now cancelling the same factors. After cancellation, x plus 1, x minus 1 whole divided by x plus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2. X plus 2, x plus 2 will be cancelled. X plus 1 will be cancelled. Remaining terms will come here as the answer, that is x minus 1 by x minus 2. That is the answer. Now I am giving you the homework. Your homework is exercise 4.1, question number 1, part number 2, 4, question number 2, part number 3, 4, and question number 3, part number 2 to 8. If any confusion, then ask me in the group. That's all.